Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So after installing this update, that is KB5083769 on your Windows 11 computer, if the Wi-Fi is not working, or if the Wi-Fi stops working, or if the Wi-Fi button is missing from here, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to uninstall this update. To uninstall update, you can go to Windows Update, go to Update History, scroll down, here you can see Uninstall Update, click on it, and here you can see KB5083769, click on Uninstall, and then click on uninstall once again and let the uninstall complete. This will take some time. Once the uninstall is complete, make sure that you restart your computer. A restart is a must after you uninstall it. And after the system restart, go to Windows Update and turn off the option which says get the latest update as soon as they are available. So if this is on, you can turn it off, and then you can also pause the update. So if you want to pause the update, maybe you can pause it for 1 week, 2 week, 3 weeks. You can select the period which you want, and so that that update does not install automatically. So you can pause the update. Now in future, whenever you want to install future updates, you can always click on resume updates to install future updates. Now still not working. The next step is to uninstall and reinstall network driver. Now for this, you can make a right click in the start menu, go to device manager, expand network adapter. Now over here you will see your network adapter. Make a right click and then click on uninstall device, click on uninstall, and once the uninstall is complete, now before you uninstall it, let me inform you that you need a Wi-Fi password when you try to connect to the Wi-Fi once again. Now after you uninstall it, restart your computer, and during the system restart, it will install the network driver once again. It will install the Wi-Fi driver when you restart your computer. And then now you can, after the system restart, you can connect to your Wi-Fi. It will be asking for your password, so enter the password, and then you can connect to the Wi-Fi. Now still the Wi-Fi is not working. In that case, you can install your Wi-Fi driver from the system manufacturer website. So right now, if the internet is not working, because the internet is not working after installing the update, in that case you can use USB tethering. So you can connect your phone to computer using the USB cable. Search for USB tethering option in your phone settings and enable it to connect to the network. You will be connected, and then you can go to your manufacturer website, install the Wi-Fi driver. Now if your computer has an Ethernet port and if you have an Ethernet cable, you can go for wired connection, and then you can go to your system manufacturer website. So if you have a Dell computer, you can go to Dell. If you have Lenovo, go to Lenovo website. If you have HP computer, go to HP website. So go to your system manufacturer website and then select your model number. Make sure that you select your model number, and then you can go to drivers and download page. Find the network driver and you can install it from the system manufacturer website. So select your operating system and you can find your network driver. Once you find your network driver, you can click on download, and then you can run the file, install it on your computer, and once the installation is complete, now you can connect to your run this file and then install it and then connect to your Wi-Fi. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get the Wi-Fi working. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.